This is my voice on my way to Lucia. It's not easy. Subscribe to Jaylanas. Subscribe to Jaylanas. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am on my way to St. Lucia for my girlfriend's birthday. This is her birthday trip and I have hoarse voice. Our hotel room, guys. And I'd like to take this back home with me. Yeah. It's cool just the way I like it. Don't mind me, I'm looking a mess. Bathroom area. Hi, still looking a mess, so we'll leave on the flash. This is me right now. I'm gonna wash my hair. So we're going rafting. So I'm gonna get ready, just look at my hair, look at my face. We need to transform you all. Get ready without me. And I'm ready. So we're on our way to the rafting tour de raft. We're going to rafting. Yeah. We're in a tunnel. There's like no tunnels in Trinidad. Yeah, we don't have none.
Let's go. Yes, sir.
We're speeding. Tunnel! Tunnel vision. You have tunnel vision right now, y'all. Yeah. Just hide it from my videos. We reached the rafting thingy. That's where we'll be going on, y'all. I didn't even drink it yet, and I'm drunk.
We're not drunk yet.
Leave it so, no?
Yeah, no problem.
Yes. Off we go. Oh, we have music. Bloop, oh, that's you. Yeah, come DJ, come DJ. So we're rafting. See?
Definitely.
This is our very own personalized tour guide, Shark. This
Actual top.
Hmm?
No, he said first actual top.
Your breath what?
Okay, so this is our local bear.
Local beer Piton?
We will have one in a bit.
No. Who will do what?
Yeah, sure. I
Kill. It's gonna take me about an hour to drink.
Jaylanas.
Has no alcohol. That's not true.
It's an amaretto sour. Soft alcohol.
Want that drink?
Yeah.
Yeah, look some more.
They're pressuring me to
more.
drink.
Make it more. How many of them have? Oh, there are a lot of them.
You can see the ocean from here.
All weekend. You say that, eh? Yeah, that's why the people come with the yacht.
Oh, look, a boat coming, y'all. Is that pirate? This is pirates, y'all.
Like that.
Y'all, the pirates coming.
Okay.
Get away from us. You're not invited. We're headed back. We're being towed. It's the dude walking through the river for me. There's the dude for me. So now we're on Marigold Beach and we're gonna take a doggy, a boat or something like that to go and see the sunsets. So that's what's up.
Yeah, they got get out.
So this is the free ferry to take us.
It's a nice house. No, house is the villa basically. That's all of villas. That's Marigold Beach. Marigold Beach.
So pretty, y'all. So pretty.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Ooh, no, no, no.
Trying out different desserts. But cheesecake, something I have no idea, but this tastes good whatever this is. The feedback.
This shit was all I knew, you and me only. I did it all for you, still you were lonely.
You're listening to my voice, I'm carrying the flu. I have the flu bad infection. But today was good, it was packed. We got a lot of things. We got a lot done. We went to rafting. We went to Marigold sunsets. We went to breadfruit tree. And so tomorrow we went ahead to the Sulphur Springs. What's the next thing? And the Waterfall. Waterfall, a nice one. So that's tomorrow's agenda. And the night we want to go to Ultra Lounge. So excited. Saturday we want to go just to a nice beach. You know, Sunday beach will be. So that's the plan for now. And yeah.
Testify for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch I do it. All I won't cry, I'm scared of you. I'm not. Long if you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it. I've been skinny, do it. I your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you.
So we are off to dinner. I already put my clothes to the lime after, so it's just when I finish it, it's just to do my hair and my makeup and affirmations saying I will stop being ghetto, because this has been ghetto being sick the whole trip, because I was sick whole day, by the way. That's why I haven't vlogged, because I was sick whole day, diarrhea, and it was raining. We had plans to do things today. I did not one thing, just in bed and the toilet bed, toilet bed, toilet bed. This is Lucia. Let's get it together.
Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too good. Nobody do body like you do. You know.
Take some tomato soup. I want to feed something nice and hot on my stomach. Lady breakfast, fruits, tea. I don't want tea here. Well, the main thing, yogurt, scrambled eggs. At lunch is our last lunch here. So we get to do all that we need to do today. We woke up late after breakfast, but at least we revived enough to do everything that we have to do. I wake up sick face. I'm so tired. Okay, so we're off to adventure time. So, you know, where are you? Oh, I'm here. Adventure time. I'm feeling a little better. So we have hope. We have hope. Get into the spirit. Get them Reggie. Get them Reggie. Get. Oh, no. It's kind of a nice little view of I don't know what. Seen something like up American drywall. So this is the view of the Pitons from Sulphur. So pretty. Came to try Waterfall, but like it locked, like it closed something, we don't know, but we could kind of see. Let me see.
A little bit of it.
You can see it from here. Oh yeah, you can kind of see it. You know. I know, I'm seeing a buzzing Pitons. We are all seeing a little thingy here. God, and this one was so pretty. I saw it on TikTok. About time. So we are in the Pitons waterfall because remember trial one, which is like the best, it was closed even though it wasn't even half hour yet. Going down the little 4-minute walk, they said, to the Pitons waterfall. So we're underneath the Pitons. We were seeing it when we were trying. Oh, they fall. We're underneath the Pitons, even though we can't really see it right now because, you know, we just by us like a bush. But no, I'm so not a nature person, but when you're traveling, you had to come out your shell just a little bit, not too much, but a little bit. Jaylana, what? Yeah, I remember for geography for our SB, we had to go in a river and do some shit. I went back in the van. They say, but you will fail. I say, okay, and I failed. I didn't care. I had 6 other subjects to pass. I passed the 6 others. Taking me out my comfort. Because you know what they lost me with? They tell me there's a possibility you might see snakes. I went straight back in the van and take my 0. I take my 0 normal. Oh. Well, we're in the jungle. In the jungle, the mighty jungle. Da 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 da. The jungle, the jungle, the. Does it have more to that song?
That's a song?
Yes. No, in the jungle, the mighty jungle. I don't know the rest of the words. Oh, okay. See, I know it's a song. Good job, Jay. You know something. First time in your life.
Make me feel great.
I'm sending environment to English.
You're not getting scared. How long again?
Yeah, the waterfall is
Because we stop, it's taking longer.
There's no shot. You're not getting real scared. They're just taking too long.
No, because it's taking long because you're stopping and taking pictures. Yeah, it's up those steps.
Push too much, alright?
I understand. If there is any water,
Yeah, but it's too much bush. Okay, I'm not staying longer. And then run back.
there's no bush where we're going. It's just water and
So not a
concrete.
nature person, I'm just letting you know.
Yeah, just concrete and water.
I can't die out drunk on it tonight.
It's not that strong compared to the other one. This one is a mile waterfall. So
It's nice.
there we go.
No, you're not allowed to let me go, honey. Thank you. I'm a scared cat. Well, no more nature place, okay? This is the only stop. I'm done. I had my nature course already.
It's a reach.
Yeah.
Take your time.
Okay. Alright. So this is the Pitons waterfall. So I have my little panic attack. Like I just gotta be, you know, just like good for once. No, I have to fit out at some points in life. Waterfall. And you have the little, oh, she have a nice shape. She wants to get land with that shape. And then this one here. Yeah. I got some good. Like I have. Yeah. So we reached the Sulphur Springs.
Stop playing with them, Ryan. How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, it's not bad, they be on my ass. I could hear you hating from the back. Balenciaga baddie got a bag. Nigga munching ate it from the back. Nigga feeling gotta play it cool. Got the jetty, I'ma make a move. Breaking records and I'm breaking news. Bitch be pressed like who you? I get whatever I like. Bitches won't bark, but they wanna bite. I got too many for using a mic, bitch. Think about that when you type. She wanna party with spice, and the body gon' eat. Bon appetit, ass all fat with the waist on sleep. Ginger hair, pretty comb beat. How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, look in the mirror, I'm feeling me. Stacking money with a ceiling. 20 to stand on the couch, went out of town, fuck if they feeling me. He like the way that I dress, throwing bullets to the flex. Like Mimi, I got him obsessed. Them bitches see me as a threat. The baddest in the room, so tell them to make room. Diamonds glisten on my boot, they gon' listen to my tune. Flow the nicest, but I'm rude. I like niggas, bitches too. Ayo baddie, what it do? Ayo Maddie, what it do? How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn.
Alright, final dinner, you guys.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe. Safe for just you and me. Can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the light? Do you?
I saw them last night. I could dine with my favorites. That's what you have. It's like dumpling. Let's taste the baked chicken now. This is ground provision. Oh, macaroni is spicy. It is the ground provision bowl. You see inside. Okay. This is the fried fish. And the curry. And I think that's what I took. A piece of the ham. Yeah, it's good fun.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Red, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pilling out. I told Tay, bring the vibe, billing out. So cold, we just chilling out. Baby yelling, yelling, get yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Lucia. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? What they gon' say now? I'm watching this bitch, I'm rubbing a stain out. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, don't let me go find me a pen. Wearing lead, now I'ma put it to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie click. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back, so he losing it. And I get the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him break. It ain't over with, yeah, Barbie bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still